my god. Oh god, it's like 3 a.m. right now and I'm literally vlogging this. I am going, finally, after so freaking long, doing a room makeover. After so freaking long, finally. First, hey guys, what is up y'all? Video, I am going to be bringing guys along with me, and I said this a lot. I wanted to do a room makeover, but I'm just like, I can't afford it yet. I need a refreshment, like it is time. But before we get into the video, don't forget to click that subscribe button and like this video if you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to comment below what video should I do next, because I am being consistent. Okay, so let's support this girl right here. So this is my current room. There's a lot of piles right here. So I need to get all of this paper file thing. This out. Bolika. Sahara Boleh. It's like stuck there. Wow, I'm so the strong one and it's stuck. All of these are the tasks that mine. It's white. I think it's mine. So this is the, what is it, the lachi, I think. I'm just gonna let it here because I haven't painted my room yet, because my room is like literally so plain right now. I have to choose a color for my room. I don't know, I'm just scared and I'm indecisive about the colors. Honestly, I'm so indecisive. Yeah, I want my room to be simple and touch up a bit. Look at this, all the flaws of my wall. I need to paint it up, and then we're gonna think about furniture. Kita satu dulu sabar. Beso babe, berilebe. So right now, Papa is my dad is arranging everything, and I'm so helpless. Oh, where are we going right now? We're gonna buy Ucu Aireen's paint room. Are you excited? Yes.
Ni Nana lah ni. Jom. Kakak pai. Kakak pai.
Budak ni. My vlog is ruined. Abang. Oh my god, I'm stressed. So, my room is full. I really want it to be like soft girl. White, I think. But I'm just dimmer color because my room room is so bright and it stresses me out when it's like morning and I need to get some deep sleep and it's so bright. So I'm gonna get something like this, I think. And it's dimmer, so but I takut kalau I paint and it's gonna become yellow because I don't like yellow. Ma, yang ni ke yang ni?
Yang itu tu untuk semua.
Tak ada yang kecil ke?
Tak boleh, rugi.
Tak ada yang kecil.
Yang kecil ada.
Yang ni lah. Yang mana satu?
Ha?
Yang mana satu? I think after okay, so I think I'm gonna change this color because I don't want my room to be so bright, you know, especially in the morning. So it's gonna be a bit dim.
Ni bukan yellow, ni macam brownish. Dia tak yellow. Yellow macam ni.
Ni produk baru punya semi matte gloss.
You want a gloss?
Ni gloss.
Gloss.
Ni matte. Ni yang semi punya. Ni produk baru punya. Dia tak matte, dia tak kilat. Kita boleh cover.
Beza dia berapa banyak? RM10. Kalau 15 liter banyak lah tu.
Mana ni kan? Ya.
You want to sit at the back?
You want to sit at the back? You want to drive? Sokma wants to drive.
Abang nak sit at the back. Kuatnya.
Yay! We got the paint.
Boleh keluar situ kan? Ha? Cucu Aireen. Abang miss cucu Aireen.
Saya miss abang tu. Sebab I menyesal I paint bilik Aireen too white. So pagi so bright. Plus my curtain is whiter. So I chose a dimmer color. And I nak letak curtain lain. I don't like this curtain.
Tak boleh.
Dia berhabuk. Okay, shit. Okay, I'm gonna get ready right now. I have to kind of touch up my makeup, so. Allahu Akbar. Have a shoot actually, just a short shoot, so I'll be right back. I am going to be painting my room tomorrow. I have to do a lot of things. Take out everything I culled in my room, and take out my curtains, and then that's pretty much it. I guess there's nothing much. Oh, I have to take out this. I have to take out my furniture a bit. I don't really have much furniture, honestly, but I'm excited. Don't want to be too excited because I am scared of disappointment. So I'm just gonna be chill, you know. I'm gonna be taking out this curtain. Have to remove all of this first. I'm doing this alone because I am an independent girly. So far that is it, and it is so freaking dusty. I'm gonna buy the furniture next. I'm still planning though, but yeah. Really want to remove this wardrobe because it's too big, but it is out of my control because it's like stick to the wall, so I can't do anything about it. I have all my junks right here, and we're gonna remove everything, and I'm gonna just keep that wardrobe. So this is gonna be my room for the next couple of days. I don't know until when, but it is my dad's office. Yes, and it's gonna be my future room. I really love this room. It's so cozy and big. I'm bored. I am lonely. I am lonely. I miss my room so much. These are all the inspos that I really want my room to be. My room's gonna be more neutral and like minimalist, beige and white. So I really need to do real research, I guess. So I know what's a simple job, because last time I did my room and it was so bright and it's not great. So guys, these are the links that I prepared in one place, how I want my room to be, all the decorations that I want, and mostly it's literally online that I want. Oh, this is so cute. Should I buy this one? It's like a black crown, so I think it's good. So that is basically much it. It's part 1 of the room makeover series, I guess. Oh my gosh, should I make a series? It'll be so fun. My room is 60% done. It's not like full done actually. I bought a finisher by the way, and one package arrived just now, and the package is so bizarre. Guess what it is? But yeah, don't worry, I will unbox everything on the part 2 of the room makeover video, and I'm really excited to show you guys what I ordered, because I want my room to be like minimalist and like clean and not that much stuff, because I will get so much what, serabut? Yeah, serabut, when my room is filled with like a lot of things. So basically just now the constructions came to pass on this like plug thing, extra plugs right there, yeah, and then one behind the vanity thing. So that's all it for now. It takes time, y'all. It takes time. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching for this part 1 of room makeover video. I hope you enjoyed it. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys Friday and Saturdays. Bye. Love you.